Hi, si Allen De Leon to. In this video, gusto kong tingnan kung paano nag-perform ang aking YouTube channel nung nakaraan na 2021. Nag-notify sa akin si Tubebuddy na may ginawa siyang year in review sa channel ko. Now, kung di nyo pa alam ang Tubebuddy, may ginawa akong tutorial. Pwede nyo tingnan dyan sa description. So, si Tubebuddy may ginawa. So, excited ako makita kung ano bang performance ng channel ko, ano bang ginawa kong tama, anong ginawa kong hindi maganda. Kasi I can use this information para makapag-map out ng strategy for 2022. So, di kasi ako naniniwala na for you to grow your channel, bahala na, mag-upload ka lang na mag-upload ng videos. Hindi ako naniniwala sa ganun. Para sa akin, suntok sa buwan yun. Naniniwala ako na you need to be intentional, meaning say, pinag-aralan mo, nag-take action ka, nag-implement ka ng mga strategies sa YouTube channel mo para mag-grow ito. So anyway, ito yung ginagawa ko every year. Pag natapos ng taon, tinitingnan ko kung paano nag-perform ang aking channel para makagawa ko ng strategies para mas lalo pa itong mag-grow. Anyway, why don't we head over sa computer screen ko? Tingnan natin kung anong ginawa ni Tubebuddy na year in review sa channel ko. Hindi naman ito comprehensive or masyadong technical. I think it's a simple year in review na at least makakuha tayo ng idea kung paano nag-perform ang isang channel. So if you're ready, let's head over sa computer screen ko. Okay, ready ka na? Let's go! Quick video lang guys. Today, January 16, 2022, so we've reached the 22,000 subscribers milestone. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. And also, napansin ko rito, si Tubebuddy, meron siyang your channel's year in review is here. So, discover how far your YouTube channel has come in 2021. So, tingnan natin. So, view your year now. Click natin. Okay, so nandito na tayo, 2021 year in review sa aking channel. So first, let's go back. So January 1, 2021, nag-start ang year. So na nag-start ang year, meron akong 11,300 subscribers total, and then views, 447,000 views and 64 uploads. Okay. And then yung top 3 uploads of 2021, okay, is how to download Virtual DJ and how to flip your camera to Google Meet tutorial. And then number 1 is yung how to reduce 30% tax to yung YouTube Tax Update 2021. So ito pala yung top 3 videos ko for the whole year ng 2021. So if we were to compare yung performance ng 2020 to 2021, let's see, yung subscribers gain ko for the whole 2020 is 11,300. While sa 2021 is 10,600. So, mas mataas pala ang 2020 ko. And then, views gained naman for 2020 is 439. Pero mas mataas naman yung performance ng 2021 with regards to views gained. So, video upload, 60 ang nagawa ko for 2020 while 68 videos naman sa 2021. So, how's your ending the year? So, ito yung total, 21,900. So, with the additional 10,600 for subscribers. Then, for views, umabot na tayo na 1.30 million. Inad na natin yung 849,000 dun sa current, which is yung 2020. So, naging 1.3 million. And then, ang uploads natin is 132 video uploads. So, ito na po yung mga totals ng lahat. Accumulated na yan. So, what a year, sabi niya, while 2020 was tough, 2021 has proven that with perseverance and a supportive community, we can overcome any obstacle. The Tubebuddy team is so grateful for you being a part of this special group and wanted to take a moment to celebrate your efforts and resilience. Let us be the first to toast Allen De Leon into 2022. We promise to continue being your partner and friend throughout your journey. Most importantly, we hope to help you fulfill all of your New Year's resolution as we continue to build the strongest and most supportive community within all of YouTube. Sincerely, Tubebuddy. So maraming salamat syempre sa inyo, sa suporta nyo sa channel, and of course, sa partner natin na si Tubebuddy. na malaki yung naitulong para mag-grow ang ating channel. So kung wala ka pang TubeBuddy account, may mga ginawa akong tutorials para magkaroon ka ng free account sa TubeBuddy at kung ano pa yung mga ibang dapat malaman sa TubeBuddy. Just simply check the description. May iniwan akong links dyan for our tutorials about TubeBuddy. Ngayong pinakita ni Tubebuddy ang 2021 year in review niya sa channel ko, ano naman ang pwede natin gawin sa mga information na ito? Well, ang takeaway ko dito is yung 3 videos na pinakita niya na nag-top sa aking channel for 2021. Meaning to say, itong 3 videos na to, since gusto to ng mga audience ko, then ang strategy dyan is to come up with a sequel. When I say sequel, magawa ko ng part 2, part 3, na mga videos na related dito sa 3 top videos ko for 2021. I also suggest na tingnan ninyo yung YouTube analytics ninyo kasi marami pa dyan mga information kayong ma-uncover, ma-discover on how to help your channel grow for 2022. Katulad halimbawa ng live streaming. Dito sa report na ginawa ni Tubebuddy, hindi niya napakita rito about yung live streaming performance ng aking channel. Actually, malaking naitulong ng live streaming sa channel ko. And speaking about live streaming, may ginawa akong free ebook. Ang title is The Top 5 Free Tools for YouTube Live Streamers. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay i-click yung link dyan sa description. Pwede ka rin mag-visit sa www.alendeleon.com/top5freetools. Kung gusto mong mag-umpisa ng live streaming mo, makakatulong itong free ebook na to sa'yo. And speaking about live streaming, meron akong nakaschedule na live streaming with Coach Eric Melchor entitled TikTok Tips and Tricks. Itong TikTok Tips and Tricks makakatulong sa iyo to kung gusto mong mag-grow ang YouTube channel mo with the help of TikTok. So wag mong kakalimutan yan na January 23, 2022, Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. So live streaming yan. Pwede kayo mag-interact sa amin ni Coach Eric. Pwede rin kayo magtanong about TikTok kung gusto mong mag-grow ang channel mo using TikTok. So with that, that's all I have for this video. Now, kung gusto pa ng mga video tutorials, then meron akong 2 video tutorials. Ayan, nasa screen. Yep, pwede mong i-click yan. And I'll see you in one of those videos.
Thank you for watching Alan Online TV. Make sure to like this video. Write a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video episode.